Hello, my name is Feddy and welcome to this week's episode. So this week we are in Runda. We are about to tour this property. The specs of this house include 5 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms. It's built on a 70 by 80. You have your own compound. It's in a gated community with 6 units, and we are currently at 50% sold, so it means 3 units left. The property is currently on the market for 45 million Kenyan shillings. So before we go any further, just start from the outside here. You have the nicely done grass, natural vegetation with the mature plants. Towards this part, you have your leads to the backyard. So you're going to access the backyard through this path. Now this is your backyard. We have your DSQ to my left, and you have your laundry area to my left also. Your DSQ, the detached servant quarter, is also Ensuite. So this is your DSQ. You have this is the washroom, the DSQ. So DSQ is also Ensuite. Then you have these amazing closets for DSQs. All right. Coming out of the DSQ, next to the DSQ you have your laundry area. And this is your laundry area with this, you have all this stuff. So you can do your laundry area here, and that's your laundry room. In case it's raining, you can do your laundry inside. This is basically your backyard. This is your whole backyard. We have a door, a back door that opens to the kitchen. So it connects to the DSQ. So when your house manager wants to access the kitchen, they don't have to go through the main door. So this is the back door. It opens the kitchen, but we'll see that when we go into the other side. You have some extra things right there. Okay, now you can access the front yard through this way, and you can also access it through the green area. So now let me take you back to the front yard so that we can start touring the interior part of this property. All right, now coming this way, so we are from the backyard, now back to the front yard. So this is your front yard, and we have the mahogany door, and right here, this is the parking area. This is your parking space that can contain up to 4 cars when you park properly. I want us to go to the inside so that we start touring the interior part of this house. So come on in. Now coming in through the main door, this is your mahogany. This is your main entrance. It's mahogany fitted. We have your to my right here. My right side you have this is the living room space. It's a huge space with a huge window for natural light source. And we also have this amazing gypsum ceilings with a chandelier at the center of the center of the living room. Now we also have this door. It's a huge mahogany door that opens to the green area. You can access the parking area through this door if you don't want to use the main entrance. All right, to my left side, you have this is the dining area. It's basically attached to the living room. This is the dining area. It's a pretty big space. It can contain like a huge 10-seater dining table. Just next to the dining area, you have the open kitchen. So let me go around and show you the kitchen. All right, now this is the kitchen. You have this is your center island, the granite top. The kitchen space is really huge. Then you have a double sink right here. This is a double sink. And you have this unique drawer. This is the space for your fridge. You can fix your fridge there. And then storage cabinets everywhere. You have some more drawers down here. It's a huge space. You can do your dishes while viewing the backyard. So this is the door that opens to the backyard. It connects to your DSQ. You saw that. Located just attached to the kitchen, you have your pantry. This is a huge pantry. Alright, now we have seen the kitchen, the living room, and the dining area. Now we're about to start touring the bedrooms. On this level, the lower level, we have the guest bedroom. So the guest bedroom is located to my right side, but before we go to the guest bedroom, we have a cloak room. We have a cloak room right here. So this is the washroom that your guests can use. The guests that are not spending the night. The guests that are not staying over, they can use this, the common toilet. Now this one, this right here is the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is also ensuite. So when you come in, to your right, you have the washroom. And then to your left, you have the closet. You have a huge guest room. The guest room, the drawers. It's a huge space. You can store everything in the closet. And then this is your bed area. It's a bed space with a window for natural source of light, with a view of the green area. So this is your washroom. This is the washroom for the guest washroom. Yeah. Okay, coming out of the guest room, now we've seen all the bedrooms. We only have one bedroom in this level. Now we're going to the stairs to see the master bedroom and the other two bedrooms. So come with me to the second level. Now we are at the first floor of this property. This is the second level. Now we have 3 bedrooms on this level. We have straight ahead, we have the master bedroom and 2 other bedrooms to my left and my right. But before we go to the bedrooms, I want us to come and see. You have an extra room here. This is an extra room, it's a family room. You can use this room for whatever. You can use it as a study room or anything with a nice picture window with a view of your entire estate. So this room also has a balcony. Alright, now this balcony of your family room with a view of their front yard. You can see your parking area and actually basically the entire estate. Okay, now you've seen the family room. I want us to see the bedrooms on this level. We start with this one to my left. This is the bedroom number 2. It's also ensuite. When you walk in, you see the closet, nice picture window, and the closet is the same as the ones we saw in the guest room. The same, we have the durables. Yeah. And bedroom number 2, this is the washroom. So the bedroom number 2, we have your water closet right there, and the walk-in shower. Now let us go to the second bedroom on this level, bedroom number 3, right opposite the bedroom number 2. So this is the third bedroom, also ensuite. So when you walk in, amazing natural light. You have the closet, the picture window, and This right here is your closet. Then this is the washroom. This washroom is bigger than the other one. You have your walk-in shower. This is the walk-in shower. And you have your water closet right here. And the tiling on the wall is really amazing. Bedroom number 3 has a balcony that opens up to the backyard. And you can hear the birds. So the balcony for this bedroom, you have a view. You have a view of your backyard, the DSQ, and the laundry area. The natural surrounding with the birds singing. It's an amazing property. So you can come here and view the entire neighborhood while listening to the birds. Right now, let's go back inside so that you can see the main bedroom, the master bedroom. Right now, this is just straight ahead from the stairs. This is the main bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It's a huge space. You have your walk-in closet. You can store everything right here. It's a huge. It's a walk-in closet. The material is the same. To my left, you have now the master washroom. Come and see the master washroom. It's a huge space. You have the walk-in shower, and then you have the vanity unit. This is the space for the mirror. In the water closet right there. Now this is your master bedroom. This is your bed area. You have this amazing space. This is your bed area. You can fit your bed area. Alright, your master bedroom also has a balcony. This is a balcony of the master bedroom with a view of your neighborhood. So you can actually come here and enjoy the green area. You can also view the main gate and your parking area. Now we are done with the rooms in this level. Now we're going up to the rooftop. We have a rooftop terrace upstairs. So we're going up the stairs so that you see your rooftop terrace. Alright, now this is your rooftop terrace. You have all this space to yourself. This is the rooftop terrace. Just right here you have the cloakroom. So if you're coming to the rooftop terrace and you want to check on number 1 or number 2, you don't have to go down the stairs. You can use this. And then you have your tank area. This is the backup water area in the rooftop terrace. It's a huge space, so the whole area is for you. And then you have your entertainment area right here. You can use this for anything. Maybe you can chill inside here. When you're done basking in the sun, you can come and chill in this area right here. This can be used as your entertainment area, whatever you have, the sockets and everything. Now this is your rooftop terrace. It's a huge space, and you can view your entire neighborhood, entire surrounding, and the whole neighborhood and the estate with these amazing glasses. Alright, now that marks the end of our tour for this week. I'll leave my contact details on the description below, so if you are a potential buyer, you can reach out to me. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you again next week.